Decadent Mocha Cigars with Coffee Cream Recipe. Indulge in Coffee Bliss. Hey, coffee lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a delightful treat in store for you: Mocha Cigars with coffee cream. These heavenly treats combine the rich flavors of coffee and chocolate into a perfect fusion of taste and texture. So, let's dive into the world of coffee bliss together and learn how to make these mouthwatering mocha cigars. Ingredients. For the mocha cigars: 1 package of phyllo dough sheets, 1/2 cup melted butter, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons instant coffee powder, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1/4 cup chopped chocolate or chocolate chips, 1/4 cup finely chopped roasted nuts, walnuts, hazelnuts, or almonds. For the coffee cream: 1 cup heavy cream, 2 tablespoons powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon instant coffee powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee lover. In a mixing bowl, combine the instant coffee powder, cocoa powder, and granulated sugar. Mix them well to form a homogeneous mixture. Add the chopped chocolate or chocolate chips to the coffee mixture and mix it in. Next, add the finely chopped roasted nuts to the mixture and combine them to create a rich, flavorful filling for our mocha cigars. Lay out 1 sheet of phyllo dough on a clean, flat surface. Brush it lightly with melted butter using a pastry brush. Place another sheet of phyllo dough on top of the first one and repeat the process until you have about 3-4 layers. Cut the layered phyllo dough into strips, approximately 3 inches wide. Spoon a small amount of the mocha filling onto one end of each strip, leaving some space at the edges. Roll up the phyllo strips tightly, tucking in the sides as you go, to form cigar-shaped rolls. Repeat the process until you have used up all the filling and phyllo sheets. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Place the rolled mocha cigars on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, seam side down. Brush the tops of the cigars with more melted butter for a golden, crispy finish. Bake the mocha cigars in the preheated oven for about 15-20 minutes or until they turn golden brown and crispy. In a mixing bowl, combine the heavy cream, powdered sugar, instant coffee powder, and vanilla extract. Whip the mixture using an electric mixer on medium-high speed until stiff peaks form. Transfer the coffee cream to a piping bag fitted with a star tip for a beautiful presentation. Serving the mocha cigars with coffee cream. Once the mocha cigars are done baking, let them cool slightly before serving. Arrange the cigars on a serving platter and garnish with a dusting of cocoa powder if desired. Pipe the coffee cream on top of the cigars or serve it on the side for dipping. There you have it, coffee enthusiasts, are delectable mocha cigars with coffee cream. These treats are a true celebration of coffee flavors and are perfect for impressing your guests or indulging in a little self-care. Give this recipe a try, and we guarantee you'll fall in love with the perfect harmony of coffee and chocolate in every bite. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay tuned for more coffee-inspired recipes. Until next time, keep savoring the coffee magic. Cheers!
Introducing our festive Christmas gnome mug, a delightful addition to your holiday season. This charming mug features a whimsical Christmas gnome surrounded by a snowy scene, adorned with blue and red presents, pine trees, and a golden star atop the Christmas tree. The design is completed with candy canes and a rustic wood floor pattern. Sip your favorite hot beverage in style and embrace the joyous spirit of Christmas with this enchanting mug. Perfect as a gift or for adding a touch of holiday cheer to your own collection.